Hello, welcome to Meditation for Beginners, Week 2. Find a comfortable seated position wherever you are. If you're sitting in a chair, plant your feet firmly on the ground in front of you and make sure your spine is erect and straight. The crown of your head is reaching for the sky, and our neck is nice and straight. And if anything, you can tip your chin slightly towards your chest. Put the palms of your hands on your thighs, or if you're sitting on the ground like me, on your knees. And if you're comfortable, you can go ahead and close your eyes. If you're not comfortable with closing your eyes, you can fix your gaze upon a point on the floor. Just try not to look around while we do this meditation. I'm just going to start with a few moments of breathing through our nose as we regularly would. No need to take a deep breath, but if your body feels like it needs to, then by all means, go ahead. Keep your lips together, your teeth slightly parted, and your tongue pressed up against the roof of your mouth, which is its natural position. And just inhale and exhale through your nose. If you're unable to breathe through your nose for whatever reason at the moment, maybe it's blocked, maybe you have some sinus issues, you can also take your hands like this, tuck them underneath your armpits, let a little bit of pressure on, and breathe in and out of your mouth. You can still get the same effect this way. But for the rest of you, just continue to inhale and exhale through your nose. We'll take a few minutes to relax our face, starting with all of the little tiny muscles surrounding your eyes. Relax the muscles around your temples. Relax your right eyebrow and your left eyebrow. And relax the space between your eyebrows. Relax your forehead. Relax your skull plates, which is an area that we often store a lot of tension, which for some of you can lead to tension headaches. Relax your cheeks. Relax the muscles around your nose. Relax your chin. And today we're going to move down the body a little bit and work on some deep relaxation in the shoulder, chest, and arm part of our bodies. And relax your shoulders and let them hang as far away from your ears as possible. Keeping your spine straight and erect. From your sits bones all the way to the crown of your head. Relax your right shoulder blade. Relax your left shoulder blade. Relax your chest muscles all along your clavicle, your collarbone. Relax your upper arms. Relax your elbows. Relax your lower arms. Relax your wrists. Relax the palms of your hands. Let them melt into the top of your thighs or your knees. Relax your thumbs. Relax your pointer fingers. Relax your middle fingers. Relax your ring fingers. And relax your pinkies. And just keep inhaling and exhaling through your nose. And do a quick check on your body from your skull plates, your forehead, your temple, jaw. Check on your shoulders, your upper arms, your lower arms, and your hands. Is there any way, any place that might feel a little tense that could use a little bit more softening? Go ahead and soften that area. And take your left palm and place it over your heart space, which is the area between your breasts in the center of your chest. And together, let us set the collective intention that the work we have done here today will have a ripple effect throughout your entire day and onto your family, your colleagues, your friends, your community, this country, and the world as a whole. Just a small amount of intention and relaxation can have a powerful effect on how those around us are able to move about our day, move about their day. You can put your palm back on your thigh or knee. And when you're ready, you can slowly start to flutter your eyes open. Now widen the flutter a little bit more. Take a look over into the right of your peripheral vision and over to the left of your peripheral vision and up around the space where you are, noticing the shapes and the colors, the light and the shadows. And when you are ready, return your gaze to the screen. Congratulations, you completed week 2 of Meditation for Beginners. To enhance your meditation practice, I encourage you to practice this short meditation every day until week 3. Namaste.